Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new and unique collection of wine bottle light craft ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection. In this video, I bring some new and unique ideas of wine bottle crafts that my viewers can use it in a very creative way with the different types of lightings it can be used, and they can also create different events look, and as you have seen in this video, different Halloween themes can be created, different fairy bottles can be created, and different sort of writings can be write on it. It can also be painted, and these types of bottles can be used with several types of handmade crafts, paintings, ideas, and you can use these bottles with some good wishes and use it as a home decor with different sort of lightings as you have seen in this video. Viewers, with the different sort of lightings in these types of bottles, you can also make it a wine bottle light hangings with these types of ideas. Different sort of bulbs can be used in it, light wires can be used in it, and different sort of hangings can be used for this purpose with the wine bottles. It can also light up your rooms, can hang on walls, and it can also create a good effect to decorate your houses. Different restaurants can use these types of themes as you have seen in this video. Wine bottles with different sort of lightings can be used as a chandelier in different restaurants. Different restaurants can use these types of themes to attract their customers, and you can also use these types of themes to decorate your houses, as it is a better way other than light lamps. You can use these sort of things to light up your homes and decorate it in a more creative way, and it also enhances your creative skills. I hope you will love this collection and video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas or collection for you. If you have any requests, do mention in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your request. And if you have any questions, do mention in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. I hope you will like this video and share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel. So viewers, keep supporting me like this, keep sharing this video. Thank you.